Clutch. Ah!
You know how when you get behind an old 1970 Chevrolet truck or a classic car on the highway and you can't wait to get around them because they smell like fuel and exhaust and you start coughing, your lungs burning? That's kind of what it's like to ride behind Jimmy CRF 230F. You were going so fast down those trails.
I'm not gonna flip the track.
He's more of a track guy, you know. What have I created? Oh. New bike. Birthday gift reveal. That looks so stupid. Woohoo! We're on the track. Okay. Ah!
This fits you. It definitely fits you.
What's that? That is so much.
Yeah. You can't let your right foot come off.
You gotta keep it on.
Your right foot has to cover the brake. Because if you start going back too high, you gotta stab your brake to get back down. So you can't do this.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. What y'all are doing is perfect. And then just keep, look, yeah. That's perfect. And then just keep getting higher and higher as you get better. That's how everybody does it. It's perfect.
It's a good omen.
I don't think it's that bad. It's just a root. Yeah.
That's a wall right here. So whatever y'all want to do. Your turn. Yeah. I did it. Graham Jarvis practice trail.
You got it up there. And now you're back down.
I'm leaking gas.
I was fixing to stall, so I pulled in the clutch, and then I panicked and let the clutch back out and ran into a tree.
He's taking a dirt nap.
Yeah, I was just taking a quick nap. This is why I was trying. Oh, my shifter.
I can't.
Second gear. Third gear.
I'm gonna I'm gonna have to take it off of the bike to bend it back. I can't bend it.
I'll ride it. I can probably ride.
Yeah.
I just have to put it in second.
There's no choice.
I'll just put it in second and then just.
Cruise on.
What's up, guys? We're having another day of riding out back at the ranch. We didn't film an intro or an outro, so I'm recording one right now. What's up, guys? We're having another day of riding. Okay, scrap that.
What's up, guys?
What's up, Fox Gang? We are going to be riding our dirt bikes today. We have a 2023 CRF250RX, a 2021, I think, CRF 125 FB, and we have a 1998. We have a 2007 CRF 230, and we have, these are the people going to be riding. So that was today's ride. It was pretty sick. So those were all the bikes. That's how the carnage happened and everything. But y'all saw me riding the 250RX. That thing is sweet. We got trees and stuff, and that's the outro. I don't know why I just made that so weird. Bye-bye.